Hey you guys, we're here with another DIY and this is going to be a birthday box. Now this birthday box was given to me by a friend, so I decided to reuse it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this eraser that you can find at the Dollar Tree craft section. And let me tell you, it works amazing. And for $1, you should have it. She had put little heart stickers on this box and I wanted to take them off and I couldn't. They were so stuck together. So all I did was use the eraser and look at it came off. On the top and on the bottom is all I did. I left the middle alone because I will be covering it. So don't worry about the middle. We're going to go ahead and cover it. All I'm doing is measuring the top and the bottom because I do want the bottom lid to sit underneath. And I actually wanted to be able to close this box so she can reuse. You know how that goes. Reuse, recycle. So all I'm doing is measuring the lid, writing it down. Make sure your glue gun is running in case you need it. You never know. And I'll be using this diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree, which is so cute. And I'm just going to go ahead and cover the top, just the front of it. I'm going to measure it out, cut it down, and just cover the front. That's all I'm going to do. Now this diamond wrap, you can find it in gold, silver, and a teal color. I'm going to go ahead and use this purple. I thought this would be perfect. This is like a hot pink purple. So I thought this was perfect. This birthday box is for a teenager and I'm sure she's going to love this color. When she's done, she could put her pencils in there. She could put anything that she needs to store in the box. She could store it in here. Once you have it measured, it's time just to put it on. And look at how perfect they came out. So all I'm going to do is cut another strip just to make sure that the lid is able to close on both sides. And once I have that together, I am ready to just add it. Now, the good thing about the diamond wrap is you don't need any hot glue. You don't need anything else. It actually just peels off and it has an adhesive on the back. So it's perfect for DIYs, projects, anything you want to bedazzle and you don't want to be adding the little diamond one at a time. You just peel it off and you paste it on. So that's the good thing about this kind of diamond wrap, and that it comes in different colors and you can actually cut it, customize it to the size that you're going to need. Look at how easily it peels off. And once you put it on the box, you cannot lift it without ripping it off. So make sure you got it exactly how you want it before you paste it on top. Once you paste it on top, all you're going to do is press it down. And look at how gorgeous it came out. Use your scissors. Cut any edges that you don't like. And smooth it out. And look at how cute it came out. All I did is grab the scissors and I just trimmed the edges. And it gave the box an extra touch and an extra shine. The next thing I'm going to add in there is my styrofoam, and that's just for length purposes and in case I want to add any pics in there. You never know, but it's good to add a piece of styrofoam in there just for length. I'm going to go ahead and cover that down with some tissue. So make sure you grab some tissue that matches. I'm going to go ahead and use this little purple piece. I thought that was so adorable, but you can use any color that you like. Pick it up at the Dollar Tree and it's super cheap and affordable. I'm going to add this $10 makeup palette that I grabbed from Target, and I actually got it on clearance, so it was $5, so I'm very happy with that. And I know she's going to love all the colors in there, and it's so pretty. So I thought it would be perfect to give to her. I'm going to add that all the way in the back, just like so. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link the link down below. Next thing I'm going to give her is this little arts and crafts box, which I thought would be perfect for jewelry, earrings, rings, anything you can think of. So I thought that was amazing. And I picked that up at the Dollar Tree on the arts and crafts section. I added it in the back. The next thing I'm picking up is a face mask, all that glitz. I thought that would be great, especially for a teenager who's getting started to wash their face and take care of themselves. And also a face wash. All that glitz is what it's called. I'm going to go ahead and add one of these little donut pens that I love. These are my favorite. I thought this would be perfect. A little squishy pen in there all the way in the back. And I am loving this. I'm going to add a sunglass case because she does wear glasses. I think these are perfect to just throw in your purses, throw around. If you lose them, they were just $1, but they do actually protect your glasses. Let me tell you, I have them in every color, and I love to give them out to family and friends. I'm going to add a little more tissue in the front just so it could hold the rest of the stuff. All I'm doing is moving things around as usual. I'm going to go ahead and add this hand cream, and it's called Raw Sugar, and I picked that up at Target. I love the way they packaged that. It looks so adorable. I'm going to go ahead and add this Tresemme between washes, and so for her hair. This is perfect when you don't wash your hair and you need that little pick-me-upper. I'm going to go ahead and add the Real Techniques makeup sponges that I picked up from Walgreens. Remember, I picked these up on sale after the Valentine's sale. I think that's what it was. And those are so adorable. I love the way they packaged them, so I thought that would be perfect to give her. I'm also going to add the eyeglass cleansing wipes to match the case. I thought that would be perfect. I'm also going to add a lip gloss that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And this is just a little lip gloss, and it's a unicorn. I thought it would be so cute to give her. She's still a teenager, so she should be fine with that. And the box is looking fabulous. The next thing I'm adding is this money holder that I custom made myself. I added a balloon, a little cake, and I thought that would be perfect for this kind of box. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of money for her birthday. I thought that would be perfect so she could go shopping. And I love the way this little box came out. It is adorable. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and wrap it up just because I want the box to be the center of attention. So I'm going to take it like this. I thought it would be better if I take it like this. If you do want to wrap it up, go ahead and add a bag, add a little bow. We'll see at the end what picture I post. If I do wrap it up, I'll go ahead and put it on Instagram for you. But I love the way this little box came out. Any teenager would love it. And until next time, bye you guys.